Hello, this is Bindu and welcome to my channel Creative Tune. Here's another crochet video, which is an earring video, how to make DIY crochet earrings. Hope you will enjoy watching this video. So in this video we're going to make this disc top tassel earrings. First we need to make the disc pattern with this crochet hook and then the tassels to complete the look. I'm using two different shades of cotton yarns of size 20. This one is coral pink shade and this one is light orange, and a 2 mm crochet hook and some jump rings to hang the tassels, some brown beads and a pair of scissors and pliers, and last but not the least, earring hooks. Okay, then let's get started. First we need to make the disc pattern. So for this I'm using the coral pink shade. Just make a magic loop like this. See, this is the magic loop, and now we have to make 10 single crochets around this magic loop. See, this one is first single crochet and this one is second single crochet. Like this, we have to make 10 single crochets around this magic loop. Now pull the tail of the magic loop and make it tight just to close the loop, and then join with the slip stitch. See, this is how we made the first round. In the second round, make chain 1 and 2 half double crochets in each stitch. See, this is the first half double crochet and this is the second half double crochet. See, in each of the stitches we have to make 2 half double crochets. Round 2 is complete. Now we'll jump into the round 3. Here we'll add the orange yarn to make this layer. Make a stitch with orange yarn. So in the round 3, make chain 1 and make single crochets in each of the stitches of round 2. Just make single crochets in each of the stitches of the pink layer. See how it looks. Repeat the same process all around the circle, and now join it with a slip stitch. Now we'll make the round 4. In the fourth round, we'll use pink yarn again to make the loops around the disc. First chain 4, skip 1 chain and make a slip stitch in the next chain. Okay. So here we make a small loop. Again chain 4, skip 1 chain and make slip stitch in the next chain. This is how we make the small loops. So we need to make 11 small loops around this disc. See, this will look like a flower. So the fourth round is completed. We just made 11 small loops. So in the fifth round we need to join the orange yarn again and make chain 2 and make 2 double crochets in the first loop and chain 2 and again make 2 double crochets in the same loop. See, and then make 2 double crochets in the next loop, chain 2 and again make 2 double crochets in the same loop. Just repeat this process all around this disc. We need to make 2 double crochets and 2 chain, then again 2 double crochets in the same loop all through this round. Just remember to make 1 double crochet in the last loop because the chain stitch we made in the first loop counts 1 double crochet, and then join with a slip stitch. So in the 6th round we need to make a small petals like pattern in this chain spaces. So just add pink yarn, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet, and again 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet in this chain space. This is the space created between 2 double crochets where we made chain 2 in the last round. So this is called the chain space. Now again make slip stitch or 2 slip stitches and again make the petal in the next chain space. So for making the petal we need to make 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet and then 1 single crochet. So in this way we make petals in the chain spaces and just make slip stitches and jump into the next chain space to make the next petal. So similarly we made 11 petals like this, and here we completed row 6 and sew the disc. And now we need to make the tassels. Just cut off the yarn and make a knot and hide the excess yarns. And now we'll make the tassels using both the yarns. So I'm using this mobile phone. Just wrap around this 10 times and make knots in the both ends. And wrap the other color yarn, tie it and apply the glue to stick it properly. cut it into two equal halves just to get two same length tassels. And trim the ends. So similarly we need to make all the tassels. So we need 5 tassels for each of the pair. Now we'll join the tassels with these jump rings. Now join the earring hook at the upper part of the disc and join all the tassels at the lower part of the disc like the way we joined the first tassel. See, we have joined all the tassels and the earring is completed. And this is the other piece of the earring. Hope you like this top tassel crochet earrings. You can try making this using so many different color combinations or a single color as well. So try this out and let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Creative Toon. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected and happy knitting.